September 1949, roughly 19 months after the debate, the Constituent Assembly has started drafting the Constitution. Uh, the Assembly takes up the first article, which states that India, that is Bharat. Now, this article comes up for a debate. It's a Saturday evening. There is not enough quorum. The bells furiously ring, and still the member of parliaments do not sort of come to the assembly, and this is pushed for the next day. So on Sunday, 18th of September 1949, they take up this article for discussion. Now, there were a lot of suggestions. Why should we call the new republic India? Why not Bharat? Why not Hindustan? Why not Hind? Why not Bharat Bhumi? Or why not Bharat Varsh? And one of the key persons who moved an amendment was Hari Vishnu Kamath, a Praja Socialist Party member. He from Madhya Pradesh, from what is today Madhya Pradesh, and he wanted India, that is Bharat, to be replaced with Bharat, or in the English language, India shall be union of states. So bringing Bharat before India. And of course, a lot of Hindu scriptures were pulled out to justify why Bharat is the original name and India is not. India is something that we borrow from the West, so on and so forth. The assembly, a vote was cast, and 51 people voted against H.V. Kamath's amendment,
Proposal.
and it was defeated. So my simple point here is that the hankering for this mythical Bharat that is alive today, as Ashutosh ji spoke about, has been alive since 1949, and it just continues. It's actually the same narrative which is continuing, probably more in a more enhanced manner, and we see it more present.